All patients extremely trust me. This mnemonic can help you remember all the 5 heart auscultation sites in the body. Aortic site, located at second right intercostal space. Pulmonic site, located at second left intercostal space. Eaves point, located at third left intercostal space. Tricuspid area, located at fourth left intercostal space. Mitral area, located at fifth left intercostal space on mid-clavicular line. Auscultation is the term used to listen to the internal sounds of the body. It is an important part of the physical examination and can help you diagnose patients.